Good morning, my name is Noah Pashby, and I'm from Fraser High School.
And my name is Elijah Ford, and I am also from Fraser High School.
And this is our AP Calculus Related Rates project.
Oh, shoot! We have our background problem. Elijah wakes up one day and decides to go on the bulk. He then proceeds to clean out all 8,564 Taco Bells located around the globe. Afterward, Elijah sits down, and although he is satisfied with the results of his bulk, he comes to the realization that he has inadvertently offset the Earth's gravitational pull on the moon. As a result, the moon is being pulled towards Earth at a very rapid pace.
The materials we used are surgical rubber tube, copper wire, cricket, vinyl, and styrofoam spear.
Moving on with our materials, we have a meter stick, a bandsaw, a cordless drill, scotch tape, Sharpie, round rasp, scissors, C-clamp, and of course, your brain. Duh. To begin, we constructed a base plate that was 16.5 by 16.5 by 0.5 inches. We did this by first acquiring a piece of wood that was 0.5 inches in height. Afterward, because the width was too great, we had to use the bandsaw to saw some of the base plate off. Afterward, this left us with a 16.5 by 16.5 by 0.5 inch base plate. Moving on, we took the meter stick and the Sharpie and drew lines from each diagonal to its opposite diagonal. Next, we drilled a hole in the middle with a diameter of 0.5 inches. To do this, we first utilized a smaller bit to drill a hole through the center. And afterwards, we use our 0.5 diameter bit where the two lines met, where they intersected, push that through, and that gave us our 0.5 diameter hole in the center. Then we utilized the round rasp to increase the hole in the center slightly. After that, we taped together 4 wooden cylindrical sticks, each of 12 inches. Next, a circle with a radius of about 6.5 inches was made around the center of the base plate. 8 equidistant points were then made along the circumference of the circle, and a small hole was drilled at each point. After the holes had been successfully drilled, 8 equal length copper wires were formed. Each length was around 2.5 to 3 feet. Afterward, each of the copper wires were fed through one of the 8 holes on the outside circle. Once fed through the hole, they were hooked on to the latex tube. The latex tube served as the wave. Lastly, the styrofoam sphere, which represents the moon, was placed onto the 4 cylindrical sticks. Okay, moving on to the problem math portion. Boom! The moon has crashed directly into the Pacific Ocean. The tsunami wave propagates out at 1,550 meters per second. The wave strikes Ecuador 10,200 meters away. How fast is the area of the circular tsunami growing when Ecuador ceases to exist?
The first step in solving our problem is writing down our givens, which is the radius, which is 10,200, and the change in the radius with respect to time, which is 1,550. The equation we'll be using is area equals pi r squared. Taking the derivative of both sides yields us dA over dt equals 2 pi r dr dt. Plugging in our givens for dA dt gives us 2 pi times 10,200 times 1,550, where dA dt equals 99,337,159.707 meters squared per second.
Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this.